Hello everyone, I am Ritika Raj from Aurora International School. As we know, due to corona outbreak, we all are instructed to stay at our home. Due to this, our school has decided to conduct online classes for the students. I am going to teach you computer. So, today's topic which we are going to study is number system. Number system. As we all know that computer understands machine language or binary language. Now, what is binary number? BI means 2 and Nary, that is Nery, means number, that is 2 numbers. These numbers are 0 and 1. Now 0 means off and 1 means on. Now let's see types of number system. A. Binary number system. B. Decimal number system. C. Octal number system. D. Hexadecimal number system. Now, first point is a binary number system. I've already explained about it that by the word binary, it is clear that it is of 2 digits. That is 0 and 1. It is having 2 as subscript. For example, 101 at the base 2. Now second one, decimal number system. It consists of 10 digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Its subscript is 10, which indicates it is decimal number. For example, 345 at the base 10. Now, third point is octal number system. It consists of 8 digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Its subscript is 8. That represents that it is an octal number. For example, 670. That is 670 at the base 8. Hexadecimal number system. This is the fourth point. It consists of 16 digits. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, it is only 10 digits. We need 6 more digits to make it 16 digits. Now, A indicates 10, B indicates 11, C indicates 12, D indicates 13, E indicates 14, F indicates 15. Now, altogether, it is 16 digits. That is 0 to 9 and A to F. For example, 9AC at the base 16. Let's see the conversion of binary number system to decimal number. Now, first one, 1011 at the base 2. We have taken base 2 here because it's a binary number. And we have to convert it into the decimal number. So here it is the base 10. Now, 1011, we have to start it from the back side. The very first digit is from the back side is 1. We will indicate it as 2 to the power 0. Next 2 to the power 1. Next one 2 to the power 2. After that 2 to the power 3. Now, always when the power is 0, that will be as 1. Now 1 into 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 is indicated as 1. So it will be 1 into 1. Now second is again 1. 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 means 2 into 1. Okay. So it will be 2. 2 into 1 equals to 2. So it is 2. So here it will be 1 into 2. Now 0. If we will multiply any number from 0, always the answer will be 0. Now 2 to the power 4. That means 2 into 2. It will be 4. So here we will multiply it with 4. 0 into 4. Next is 1. 2 to the power 3. Now 2 will be multiplied 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. Now what will be the answer? It will be 8. So 1 into 8. Now we will multiply. The next step is to multiply it. 1 into 1 equals to 1. 1 into 2 equals to 2. 0 into 4 equals to 0. And 1 into 8 equals to 8. Now we have to add it. After adding it, it will be 11. Now what is the answer for that? 1011 at the base 2. It will be equal to the 11 at the base 10. So this was the first example. Now I am going to give you the second example. B. Second example, you can say it. I am just writing it. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And what will be the base? That is 2. And again we have to convert it into base 10. That means into the decimal number. Now again, what will it will be? 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. Now again we have to, what we have to do? We have to multiply it from the back. Now 0 into 2 to the power 0, that is 1, plus 1 into 2 to the power 1, that is 2, plus 1 into 2 to the power 2, that is 4, plus 1 into 2 to the power 3, that is 8. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. That means 1 into 8, plus 1 into 2 to the power 4. That means 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 16. So 1 into 16 equals to. Now we have to multiply it. 0 into 1 equals to 0. 1 into 2 equals to 2. 1 into 4 equals to 4. 8 into 1 equals to 8. 16 into 1 equals to 16. Now let's add it. 2 plus 4 equals to 6. 6 plus 8 equals to 14. 14 plus 16 equals to 30. So what will be the answer here? 30. Now we have to write it like this. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 to the power 2 equal to 30 power base 10. Okay. Now I am giving you some homework that you have to do it. Convert binary number into decimal number. Convert binary number into decimal number. So you have to try these questions. First one, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Convert it into decimal number. Next is 1, 0, 1, 0. C 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So you have to do these questions. Try it. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.